Hey Becky, it's Mike. I just wanted to show you real quick about the script that I wrote this morning with your suggestion of having a listing, an Excel document listing of all the images that I've submitted to Caven. So I wrote this, it's real quick, so here it is. It's a PowerShell script. You can right click it. You'll have to right click it in order to modify it. Just hit edit, and then it'll bring up this PowerShell ISE window. So in each one of these, it's going to tell you to get the child item recursive. This is the area that you'll be concerned with. This is the source of the folder that it's going to read from. And then these are the fields. You can modify this if you would like. I mean, I basically just told it to look up the owner of the file, the creation time, last write time, length, owner, and then it exports it to a CSV file for Excel, and this is the directory of the file. So I will take you through the whole shebang real quick. So I'm going to create a folder. Just do one in here. I'm just going to name it Caven. I apologize for the the crazy kids. So here we go. Back to what I was saying. I created a directory called Caven. I'm just going to copy and paste this portion into here. One special thing to know is that if you have a space in here, say for example you used, let's go back over here, Caven, and you put a space in here, submissions. Right? So for you to do that, if you have spaces in any of your file names or your folder directory names, you have to encompass that into quotes. So you just put a quote on each side of the directory. So just like that, you would put quotes on it. You can put quotes regardless if you have spaces or not. It's a good practice to just put everything in quotes. But like I said, I originally just was going to use Caven, but I thought that would be a good point so that you don't receive some kind of error. And then the next thing you would do is go over here and you're going to create, I'm going to put it back inside the Caven folder, but you're going to just right click, new Excel worksheet, and change the name to Caven. Open that up real quick and do a file, save as, and then from here you're going to change this to CSV, MS-DOS, and that is it. Hit save. So now you have two different file types in here. One's a CSV, comma separated values file. You can get rid of this Microsoft Excel worksheet. Alright, so we can open this up. Nothing in it. Close it. It has to be closed for the script to run, but you're also going to have to do the same exact thing that you just did here. Copy that and put it into here. Like I said, I'm going to use quotes because I have a space between Caven and submissions, and put a backslash, and then you're going to select the file, Caven.csv. So you're going to run that. Let me actually go back one more time. So there's no images in here. So I'm going to take, and I'll select a few images and copy and paste them in here just for an example. Alright, so you have all of those, and now you're just going to run this script. So you can hit F5 or just push run. About to run the script, and bada boom bada bing, it says it's done. We'll go back over here. We're going to open up the Caven Excel document, and now you can see your complete listing here. Creation time, last write, the size, owner, all that good stuff. I don't know how familiar you are with Excel, but you can sort this data. I like to have the data sorted by last write time, so I can see the newest from the newest to the oldest. But it's that simple. And anytime that you drop new files into that folder, you just run it again, and it will add that line, that file, into this listing. I hope it's helpful. It might not be, but anything that can save me any time of typing this crap up is nice to me. So I'm anxious to see, like, maybe there's some other fields that you think that should be in here that we can automate, but I'd be more than happy to help you automate that process. So if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you find the video good, and if you want the PowerShell file, just send me your email address and I'll take care of it. I'll send it to you. Thanks.